Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Now I am going to present my assignment about internet tab which we can use in our daily life. I want to present the Chrome features and the functions. Now I can open the Chrome. At the top in the Chrome there is a home button. When we touch home button we can reach our main site, and at the next point there is a account setting option. Here we can change our account setting, and there is our account setting information has given. Firstly is Riga International, and all the there is a payment option in the account setting payment method. Here we can add our payments. There is a search engine. We can change our search engine in the Chrome app. We can use Google has a search engine, Yahoo, Bing, and etc. There is also privacy and security option, safety check, notification option, theme. Here we can change our theme. If we can touch this, there is a dark theme and there is a light theme. Here the same, there is a many features: home page, accessibility, site setting, language, light mode, and the download and the about Chrome. Now we can go back, and has the next option there is written to. It means that we can using two windows. In any window we can use many tabs. As in the second window you can see I use two tabs. In first window I can use only one tab. Now in the next there is a three dot options. Here we can see many features. Firstly there is a bookmark options. When we can add bookmark, it is present in these options. And here there is a download option. If we can download anything, and downloading a sign is present here. There is a refresh option, and here we can add new tab, new incognito tab, and the history, downloads, bookmark, and the recent tab, and the desktop site. If we can touch it, our screen become a desktop site. And there is a setting option. There is help and feedback, and at the last he give us a speed. And now we can go to the second window for see different more features. Here in the second window I can open two tab. Now we can firstly open one tab. Here at the first there is a search option. uh, Here I write Motha Tulba Islam Pakistan to search it, and at which thing we can search it. All these about things are the present here. The Google show 88,300 result of my search. And the next is cross option. When we can touch it, all the search hour is cancels. And at the next there is a voice option. If we want to search something, we can say and Google search it. And there is a search option. When we can write something or say something, we can touch it to search it. And the next is a setting option. Here we can change our setting. And the next 9 dot is the options of Google apps. When we touch it, here the Google apps are the present. There is a account setting and Google search app, and here we can use YouTube, Play Store, news, Gmail, etc. Here we can use Meet for our meeting, and the chat, and the contact, and the drive, calendar, etc. And our finance document, sheet, slides, everything which provided by Google is present here. Google Classroom is present here. Podcast is the present here. Google One is present here, and Google Form is present here. Here we can use every Google apps options. When we can touch now Google Forms, here we can create Google Form. There is a already available templates, and here we can new our and new form and there is also further options for the Google Form, document, sheet, slide, form, setting, feedback, and then we can add it into the drive. There is many options in the Google. At the last, there is a two option present. It is the option of the tab. Here we can plus option, we can add more tab, and here we can go to the our back tab, and at the last we can come back to the Google Form, and in the front we can here see our tabs. Here we I can open three tabs. So at the last of my presentation, assignment presentation, I want to say thank you to all for listening my assignment presentation. So thank you so much. Okay, Allah Hafiz.